HB Tuners is expanding its marine support with a growing range of Yamaha outboard and personal watercraft applications. To make this possible, we've developed purpose-built Yamaha marine adapter cables that allow our MPVI4 interfaces to communicate directly with supported engine control modules, or ECMs. These cables serve as connection point between your Yamaha engine and VCM Suite, giving you the ability to perform diagnostics, monitor data, and write calibrations on supported applications. Marine environments present unique challenges compared to automotive tuning. Because the ECM must be directly written, we have to bypass the factory connector during calibration, so stable external power must be supplied directly to the ECM. These Yamaha adapter cables are designed specifically for that purpose, helping ensure reliable communication during both diagnostics and calibration writing. In this video, we'll explain the different Yamaha marine adapter cables, what each cable does, and how they fit into the overall tuning and diagnostic workflow. When working with the Yamaha marine applications, there are two main types of cables used in the process. The first is a diagnostics cable, and the second is a flashing cable used for calibration writing. Each cable plays a different role, so understanding the difference is a very important first step. The Yamaha 3-pin diagnostic cable is used for connecting the VCM scanner so you can monitor engine data and review diagnostic information. With this connection, you can view engine parameters, log performance data, and identify potential issues by reading diagnostic trouble codes. This cable is designed specifically for diagnostics and data monitoring, and it does not support calibration writing. For calibration writing, you'll use one of the Yamaha marine flashing cables. These cables connect directly to the ECM and allow you to read and write calibration files using VCM Editor. Depending on the engine, Yamaha marine applications use different ECM connector styles, including 34-pin and 44-pin configurations. To determine which cable your application requires, please refer to our website. Each flashing cable includes integrated battery clips that provide stable power to the ECM during the write process. This is required in marine applications because the ECM must be disconnected and written directly via the adapter cable during calibration. Together, these cables provide a complete workflow that allows you to monitor engine operation and perform calibration updates on supported Yamaha marine applications. One of the biggest differences between marine applications and automotive applications is how power is supplied to the ECM during the calibration process. In many automotive applications, the control module can remain powered through the vehicle's electrical system while the engine is off. Marine applications work differently. When performing a calibration write on a supported Yamaha marine ECM, the engine must remain off, and the ECM must receive stable voltage throughout the entire process. To accomplish this, the Yamaha flashing cables include integrated battery clips that connect directly to the vessel's battery. These clips provide consistent power to the ECM during reading and writing, helping ensure reliable communications between the control module and the VCM Suite. Maintaining stable voltage during the write process is important because interruptions in power can disrupt communications with the ECM. This design allows the MPVI4 interface and VCM Suite software to communicate with supported Yamaha marine ECMs in a consistent and controlled way. Now that we've covered the different cable types and why external power is required, let's walk through a high-level overview of the basic workflow. The first step is connecting to the ECM. Begin by ensuring the vessel's battery is switched off and then locate the ECM. The exact location can vary depending on the engine or watercraft model. Once located, disconnect the ECM connectors and attach the Yamaha flashing cable that matches your ECM connector style. Next, connect the integrated battery clips from the flashing cable directly to the vessel's battery. This provides a stable external voltage required for communicating during the read and write process. From there, connect your MPVI interface to the cable and then connect the interface to your computer using the USB. With everything connected, open VCM Editor. To begin, select Read. The software should automatically detect the controller and begin the read process. During the first read, the system may prompt you to perform a one-time controller update. This process prepares the file for calibration work and does not consume any credits. Once the read is complete, save the file. This file represents your stock calibration and serves as your starting point for future changes. After making any necessary calibration adjustments, the next step is writing the file back to the ECM. With the file open in VCM Editor, select Write. If the controller has not yet been licensed, the software will prompt you to apply credits before completing the write process. Once the write process is complete, you can disconnect the flashing cable and reconnect the ECM connectors. For diagnostics and data monitoring, the Yamaha 3-pin Diagnostics cables is used. Ensure the PCM and factory connectors are installed and that your battery is switched on. locate the diagnostic port on the engine, remove the protective cap, and connect the 3-pin cable. From there, connect the MPVI interface and open VCM Scanner. VCM Scanner allows you to monitor engine parameters, review diagnostic trouble codes, and log performance data while the engine is running. Together, these steps provide a complete workflow for reading, writing, and monitoring supported Yamaha marine applications using HP Tuners tools. HP Tuners Yamaha Marine Support is designed for a wide range of users, from professional tuners and marine technicians to hands-on owners who prefer to work on their own equipment. For professional shops and marine service providers, these tools make it possible to offer diagnostic insight and calibration services for supported Yamaha engines using the same platform trusted across automotive and power sports applications. For performance enthusiasts, the ability to monitor engine data and apply calibration changes provides greater visibility into how the engine operates on the water. Many customers choose to work with experienced tuners, while others use VCM Scanner to log data to better understand their engine's behavior before making any calibration changes. Whether you're maintaining your own equipment, supporting customer vessels, or expanding your service offerings, HP Tuners provides tools that support a variety of workflows. HP Tuners Yamaha marine adapter cables provide the connection needed to communicate with supported Yamaha engine control modules using MPVI interfaces and VCM Suite software. By understanding the difference between diagnostic and flashing cables and how each fits in the workflow, users can more confidently set up their hardware and begin working with supported applications. To learn more about supported Yamaha marine applications, compatible cables, and setup requirements, visit hptuners.com or review the product pages linked below.